Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back, and I mean, how you doing? How you been? Yeah, I have this 2011 Subaru Outback. This is the fourth generation. So if you have a Subaru Outback between 2010 and 2012, then this video is for you. I must say 2013 and 2014 are included, but just make sure everything match. It's the same, okay? What I'm gonna show you is how to replace the window motor. Okay, so stay tuned. If you want to support the channel, you know what to do. Down here, there's a thanks button. It looks like a heart. Click on that, do your thing, show your love, show your appreciation. Very much. Over here, you're gonna see a list up to 30 items. You're gonna see the tools that I'm using for this project. Check that out. Shout outs to everybody that support the channel, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. You want me to reach more people? Click on the share button, like. Anything you want to say about this video, this project, this car, anything, put it in the comment box. Let me know. Let me know how you like it. This car has 114,000 miles, by the way. Well, I'm not going to hold you up. Let's do this. Let's get it. Yeah. Okay, I already removed the panel, door panel, but I'm going to tell you what to do, though. Here, there's a little cap, right? Remove that cap, and there's a screw. Okay, Phillips screw. Thing is the same here. Remove the cap, little cap, and there's another screw. Okay. To remove this, the master control switch, you're gonna have to remove the door panel, right? Once you do this screw and this screw, you just pull to the side the door, then push it up. Okay. Because the door panel is hanging from here. Okay. Let me give you some light. Okay. So over here, you're gonna see a screw over here, and a screw over here. Remove those in order to remove the master switch. Okay. Once you remove the master switch, disconnect it. Disconnect the these guys. Press here, pull it up. Same here. Press it here, pull it up. All right. Now this guys, just like that. Okay. Same here. Just like that. Okay. I need a space, so I need to remove this. There's another one here. Little light. Press it here. Just like that. Okay. Now we put the door panel to the side. Right here, where everything is beautiful. I'm gonna remove this plastic. Through here, just like that. Stick it in. That should be it. You don't need to go crazy with that. Now disconnect this guy. Press it here. Come out. Now here I got this baby window regulator. That's the part number. Let's see. Let's open it. I feel like a kid on Christmas. Na 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 na. Shh. Still shooting. Okay, good. Getting the whole nine. Let's see here. Alright. This is it. That's how it looks like. Okay. Thumbnail. You see the vibes. It's gonna be easy, right? Easy. Alright, so here, once you remove the plastic, okay, just pull it out. Okay, here, I'm just gonna push it up, just like a clip. Okay, you're gonna see it here too. See it here too. It's gonna come out, all right? 1, 2, 3, just like that. One more here. There you go. Okay. Now, since the window is all the way up, to release the window, we're gonna have to lose this bolt. Yeah, pretty much. On the other side, there's another bolt. Yeah, you see. So I have to release this, lose this in this one for the window to be released. Okay. I'm gonna grab the 10mm wrench, right, through here. I'm gonna lose it. Okay. I'm gonna do that until it's all the way loose. All right. Before you do that, tape the window with a duct tape. I'll show you how. Yeah, grab your duct tape or any other tape you have, and just like that. All right. One on the other side, you can go to here. You know what I'm saying? And hit it. And if it's too tight, you can release this too. Okay, 10mm. Then this one too. Okay, all the way, remove them. All right. That's what we're gonna do. No biggie. Okay. I'm gonna do the motor. That's where the motor is. All right. There's a guy. This is gonna be your best friend. Ratcheting wrench, 10mm. Going to here. It's gonna take you a minute because this is what I was doing. Like this. Holding it with my finger like this and pushing it like this. Now, obviously, over here, you're gonna have to push the mirror, the window a little bit to the side. Okay. Instead of fighting with this, because you gotta push it up like this, just cut it. Grab your wire cutter. Just cut it. Because you don't need it. Alright. There you go. Here it is. So, if you see the window set on this, okay, then with the bolt, it hold it in position. And this is like a backup so it doesn't fall. Okay. These are the little things that you gotta cut so it doesn't bother you. It will be easier though, because if you don't cut it, then this you're gonna have to push it back that way too much, and probably you don't want to do that because you don't want to bend the window that much. Okay. So now we're gonna put the new one. I'm gonna test it. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Try with a finger. There you go. So the switch is good. All right. So now that we know it works, we put it back. Okay. That here. Everything Gucci. This thing. Like that. Okay. So that here, bolts here, bolts here. Okay, that's good. Position. That. I'll put the 10mm bolts again. This. I'm gonna connect the switch again, so I can bring down the this guy, so I can do it down here. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Here, there it is. The hose. Put the bolt back. Go. Da-da-da-da. There you go. All the way up, all the way down. We're Gucci. Now we put everything back. This. This. Gucci. Look at that thing. Ooh. Yay. Gucci. Alright guys, we're gonna leave it right there. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoy. This was how to replace the window motor from driver's side. If you have any questions, don't forget to put it in the comment box. If you want me to reach more people, click the share button. If you haven't subscribed, what you're waiting for, subscribe now. Shout outs to everybody that support the channel. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. This video applies for those that have Subaru Outback from 2010 to 2014. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm not gonna hold you up. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. It's Uber Room clocking out.